Elewara community is a small community in Nigeria's southern Osun state. It's a community of not more than 500 people. However, life in this community was extremely challenging for most of the community members before the intervention of the Millennium Development Goals. They are benefiting from the overview of public expenditure initiative of the federal government of Nigeria, adopted after Nigeria received the debt relief gains from the Paris Club and creditors. Nigeria's federal government provided 100 billion naira in its 2006 budget to some ministries, departments and agencies for intervention in designated debt relief gains funded Millennium Development Goals projects. These projects were designed in conjunction with the existing sector strategies of the government to take place within the institutional framework of public expenditure systems and be implemented by relevant MDAs. Through this came about the M&E mechanism adopted to monitor and evaluate public expenditure on the Millennium Development Goals. The MDGs projects supervised by the M&E team are planned and executed in a transparent manner that can easily be tracked and appraised by Nigerians and the international community.
To ensure that the various resources approved for various projects and programs under the MDGs are channeled appropriately to the projects for which they were approved. And also is to ensure that the various government ministries, departments and agencies followed the implementation plan that was approved for them.
With this, members of Elewara can testify to what has been produced from the hard work of the M&E initiative, whose main objective is to provide dependable expenditure tracking and impact assessment in the short term.
First is for us to demonstrate to Nigerians as well as members of the international community that the debt relief gains is actually working in Nigeria. Then apart from that, we also evaluate the impact of the projects and programs that are being implemented.
Our visit to this community revealed wonders. It was here we met Mr. Moses, the man in charge of the piggery farm in the community. The 59-year-old pig farmer has, since the start of this initiative, noticed great changes in his life and that of his family and friends.
Since they helped us, things have been going well. Now I can feed my family.
Not only are the people of Elewara enjoying the tasty dishes prepared from the meat of these pigs, but they are also benefiting from the sale of these pigs. A well-grown pig could sell for over $300 depending on the health and size of the animal. Youths and parents who had no jobs in the past are now employed in this piggery, which helps make ends meet.
This program changed the life of members of community. For those people who don't have any work to do, so it helped them to get something to do and to get money to send their children to school and to feed themselves.
Before this initiative, things were difficult, but with the intervention of MDG, we're able to at least develop this site. So it's a welcome development.
Following its endorsement of the Millennium Declaration, Nigeria has clearly demonstrated its commitment to the realization of the MDGs by 2015.